by actually having to request saucepan and a frying pan. So we have our saucepan over there. I have a limited set of knives. I do have a cutting board, and I'm going to do something really simple: bacon and toast. What can go wrong? So we have here an oven in here, and the oven has a couple of trays. Okay, so it looks like, first of all, I don't have a proper thing to put that on. I now need to work out the controls of this. This is also going to be tricky. What have we got here? We have, okay, we have looks like a heating. Let's see what's in here first. It says, okay, it's got a grill, it's got a magnetron, so it's also a microwave. Okay, so that's going to be fun. So I don't want microwaved bread. So what have we got on here? Let's have a look. That there definitely is some sort of oven, I'm guessing. That looks like a grill. Oh, it looks like a grill with microwave. So I'm guessing grill. This one here is the one I want. Let's have a look what else there is. A fan, a microwave with fan, a grill with fan, and off. Let's go for grill only. I guess I've got to put that to the top. Now we have a flashing sign saying 15 and an arrow. So it says 15 minutes. Why has it got minutes for a grill? Okay. I guess I press start. No? Obviously not the one to press. Okay. Okay. Not flashing. Good start. Start. Doesn't start. Press start again. Hold it. No. Okay, how do we heat this up? Okay, so we've got it on the right setting. This is always good. I do enjoy trying to work out how to do this. And of course there's no instructions in the hotel room either. All looks good. Well, maybe I've got to turn the temperature. Oh no, this one. Sometimes you've got to turn the temperature up to put it to grill. Okay. Oh! Was it this? Okay, let's assume that's working. I'm going to test it to make sure it's hot in a minute. Fantastic. Now, next thing, I'm not having the wine. Wine will be for evening. This is meant to be just a quick lunch. Okay, this here surely cannot be difficult. Only 2 buttons. Question is, which is the top? By this worn out sign here, I'm guessing this one does the back ring. So let's turn it on. That's probably a 6 because that's a 5 and that's a 4. And it is the back one. Okay, we're all good. Now what I don't have is any oil of any description. Okay, slight oversight. Okay, that heats up really quick. Right, let's see if while I'm going here, because I'm going to do toast. Okay, it is slightly warm. It's going to be a bit far away. Oh, it turns off when the door opens. Okay, so now we know why it didn't turn on before. It will only work with the door shut. That's probably because of the microwave option. Alright, so, well, let's carry on. Oh, I don't I've got to press it on again. Start again. Yes, right. Right now, let's wedge this somewhere. Okay, that works. Of course, I can't see the screen or the chat now. There's no scissors, and the knife is not sharp. What can possibly go wrong? God, I can't believe how blunt these knives are. I am a person who likes sharp knives, and I spend my time sharpening them. Now, okay, I'm not cooking the pot, but we shall do. Now, this is meant to be low salt bacon, and as I've got no oil, we're just going to have to hope for the best. But bacon normally gives off a lot of fat once it gets hot. Ooh, what tools have I got for this to cook with? I don't think I've got any tools in here. Hold on, I'm just opening the drawers. Okay, we have a metal thing for a non-stick pan. And we have some grabbers. That's going to have to do. Just quickly washing my hands after touching bacon, raw bacon. Okay, the real question is, can and it seems to be cooking all right without any oil. Now, is my toast doing anything? Nothing at all. It looks good in the camera, but there is no colour on that bread at all. Can I talk and chat? No. Okay. Oh, and not sticking. Good. No, a little bit, but that will do. Now I do like these crispy. It's going to take a little bit of time to get them crispy. Hopefully I'll get enough oil out of them to do that. Now I'm going to need to leave that cooking for quite a while. Yes, we have brown. Right. Now because the door's open, I do have to get myself a towel. And we're going to have to turn these over. Let's try not to burn our hands. No such thing as a toaster. Okay, doing all right. We're doing all right. Still going. Right, what do I need next after this? I'm guessing I should get some ketchup, fiery chili ketchup. That. Oh no, I forgot, you've got to press the button. So, it wasn't cooking. Right, I next need a plate of some description. Let's try in here. Yep. Have one of those. Good. this here was my handy camera mic from when I was cutting. How can you go wrong? Some bacon sandwich. Now this here is the bit that's going to take the time. You can peer in there, it's really difficult to see, but it's not looking ready up. These here, it's a case of just cooking for a bit longer. Well, it's cooking in spots and I'm getting no oil, no fat coming out of these at all. Right. There's nothing I can do. I was expecting some of that fat to start changing. Maybe cook it at a lower speed. Smells good. It is cooked. Just checking on the toast while you look at that. Okay, let's check. Yes, that's ready. Okay, now we start putting it together. Good. Of course, I haven't thought of everything because I don't have any butter in this apartment. Cool, right. We have bacon. Ah, look, it's just starting to go now, all the oil and the fat. Good. Yeah, if I had left this a little bit longer, that would have started to go really crispy. It's a shame, I like crispy bacon, but I also like hot toast. This here is good, and our last piece, lay it on there. Actually, it's quite hard to do, holding the camera and piling bacon on toast. No, we need the ketchup. Okay, let's put the camera back here. This. So it's banging the door of the fridge against the handle of. Okay. You need this. Always give it a good shake. It's clean. These had raw on them. Okay, so now we set up the sandwich. I am a ketchup person rather than brown sauce, but oh god, that's too much. So let's get a knife. Luckily I found these ones earlier. I don't really want a huge, great big pile of sauce in one place. Hey, one bacon sandwich about to be enjoyed. Cool. And that's it for now. I shall enjoy this. Maybe do another little stream later.